Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So in the first step, just press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here reg edit and then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to let me go back. I have done some changes on my computer, so we have to go back to the main computer section. So here it is. Now we need to expand the HK local machine, then expand software folder, now expand Microsoft folder, and now expand the Windows folder. From here just keep scrolling down and here you will get, okay, here it is, expand this. And now in the Windows folder we need to expand the shell folder. Now okay, in the Windows folder we need to expand current version folder. Again just go down and find out the shell folder. So here it is, expand these and expand update and then click on packages. On the right side we need to right click here, select new and create a new default value 32-bit and name it as UNDOCKING DISABLED and hit enter. Then right click on it, select modify and change value data as 1 and click on OK. So remember this path: computer, HK local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, shell, update and packages. And in the here create this new default value, name it as, and change the value data as to 1. Now we need to restart our system and the problem will be solved for 100% sure. You can also check out our pinned comment or description to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a good way to fix this issue. So yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe to the channel.